finally, I made it out of my house. I came up here to Moonshine to see what they're doing. Look at all the snow on the ground up here still at Moonshine. So they kind of got a pathway right here. Look at this. I'm gonna walk inside of here and see if my man Rob's in here, because I had to get out. I was going stir crazy in there. I can't even get my bike out and ride. Some of the main roads look fine, but it's the side roads that you can't even get to. Hold on, let's see what Rob's doing in here. Boom. There he is. He might be busy. Rob!
What's up?
What's going on, brother?
Man, there's a whole bunch of cold stuff out there.
What do you guys do on a snow day? What? Let me take my glasses off. I can't even see. These things work good. What do you guys do on a snow day?
Well, we're looking for ice tires that'll fit these baggers.
Ice tires for baggers. Look, guys, hit Rob up. Tell him the best ice tire, because I'm sure he could wrap one of these around it. So, oh, there's more 2021 bikes in here. I guess that means we're gonna have to do something soon.
Man, we got to. Soon.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna see. Is that Preston over there? What's he doing? I can't get too close to him because I always have to mute him because he says dirty words all day, every day.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just talk about how super nice you are.
Just make sure you didn't need to edit that video.
Yeah, well, I'm sure I will if I come over there close to you. So look, here comes Esteban. Let's surprise him with the camera.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm coming in and working.
What? Wait. Someone was here looking for you.
Who's looking for me?
Some lady. She said that y'all were supposed to do a deal together.
What's her name? Was it Annie?
Who?
Annie?
Annie?
Hey!
I don't even know. Should I bleep that out? I don't know what that means.
No, you can. That's
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one.
I'm definitely bleeping that out. Okay. So, all right, guys. So, look, I'm still trying to get out and get on my bike where we can actually put a video together. That's why I came up here to see Rob. And snow tires. Rob needs snow tires. He wants you to bring them in, and then he'll put them on your bike. Not personally, but he'll have somebody. Look at this thing, almost stabbed myself. Right there, on that.
Those are always fun on the lift, especially the pointy ones that the pointy hand grips.
Right.
You know, you got the motorcycle up in the air and you're doing stuff to the motor, and you know you're just looking down. You all of a sudden it jumps right out at you. And
Hit you
bites
right in the forehead
Man,
or in the eye.
Yeah, forehead, crown of your head.
Let's go over here and see what we have to bleep out. Let's see what happens here. What's up, buddy?
Waiting for the snow to melt.
Just what?
Waiting for the snow to melt.
Waiting for the snow to melt.
I'm gonna take my today. That's what I'm deciding to name my bike.
That's what you're gonna name your motorcycle? Oh. You guys will have to put down in the comments what you think he said, because obviously I'm gonna bleep that out. This is, you know, it's bad when this is what I'm doing to put out a video right here. So I'm just walking around inside the dealership because I'm snowed in and everybody's snowed in. All right, hold on. All right, so look, I'm about to get run over. Somebody's pulling in over here. Rob's in there. They're here up at Moonshine trying to sell some bikes. This ice, man. I'm ready for this stuff to go away. What's it like in you guys' areas? You tell me, okay? Tell me what it's like where you live. Put it down in the comments. As always, I appreciate you watching today's episode. I wish it could have been a motovlog episode. I wish I could have gotten out and done something motorcycle related besides just come up here and then talk to my guy. But sometimes that's just the way it is. That's the hand I've been dealt via the weather today. I've got to make a run because I actually got to go pick up my son. I appreciate you guys watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. All right, look, so I was going to end the video, but then I started driving home, and I wanted you guys to see what it looked like, all the snow. See, the main roads are clear, but it's these secondary roads that aren't. Check this out. It should be gone because it actually looks like a lot of the snow has melted. That was a giant mound of snow right there. This is what I'm dealing with, and this is the tail end of it. So it's almost starting to really melt today because it's 54 degrees. But it's not gone yet. All right. This is for real the end of the video now. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.